Next is the writing category. Uh, Here you can select the default post category. Now in WordPress, blog post. We'll talk more about that in when we are comparing both blog post and pages. So you can categorize your blog articles, and you can add different categories to them. Like I can just right click and open this tab, and I can add more categories into it depending on what I want to blog. For example, I can write a category of digital marketing in this case. Now the slug will let it auto generate. It's mainly the representation of the URL. And do we have any parent category? No, we don't have any parent category. In the description, we can write down this category focuses on all articles related to digital marketing. Now I can just click on add new category, and this category has been added. Slug, as I mentioned, will be generated on its own. Um, Now when we go here in the reading and we refresh this, in the writing, sorry, and we refresh this, we have an option of digital marketing as well. So by default, any new article that I'll be writing in this blog post will go under the category of digital marketing and not under uncategorized. It's a very bad user experience when you have more articles in the category of uncategorized. It is not really good way of writing blogs. So we'll change the default post to digital marketing. Format, there are different formats of blog posts that you can write, like a site, chat, gallery, link, images, status, video, etc. However, we will have the default format as a standard format. While editing the blog, we have an option to update the format as well. Classic editor, block editor, there are the two types of editors which are there. I'll prefer to have classic editor. While writing the blogs, it's easier to use classic editors. Block editors are more useful when you are making a landing page, and at that point in time a block editor is very handy when you want to customize the elements, etc. However, for blog articles, it's I personally recommend to use classic editor. Allow users to switch editor. You can, if you're using multiple users are going to use your website to write the blogs, you can have this option as yes, where they have an option to select classic or a block editor depending on their roles. I'll just keep it no by in this case. Next is post via email. So there's an option in WordPress to post WordPress by email. You can set the email account. So here you have to set up all the mail server link, the login name, the password, and you can post via email as well. Okay. However, again, I will not recommend this thing because it's always better to do it from the panel and rather to do it through the email. This thing. Update services, when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site the updates. Okay, so this is something which is there by default. It's more on the technical side, so we'll keep it untouched. And now we can just save the settings which are there, and we are good to go.